there was this unsubstantiated allegation without any proof. Abby Lowell and the legal defense team for Hunter Biden said, we think Gary Shapley leaked the story to the Washington Post. You did something pretty unique. You sent a letter saying, hey, he didn't do it, but we'll free the Washington Post if they think they have any source obligations. Let them say who their source is. How big a moment was that for your team?
Well, it's significant. Gary knew that he was going to go through a lot in bringing these allegations forward. He was aware some people were going to be unhappy, and certainly, none more so than Hunter Biden and his family and his attorneys. But they, in multiple settings, have been bringing forth these allegations. When Chris Clark was interviewed on TV, he referenced the improper behavior that's happened. They've made these vague allegations, and Abby Lowell really brought them into more focus with his letter from last Thursday, which again alleged that Gary was the source for this leak to the Washington Post, and that was the reason that he was cut out of these discussions of the case, rather than that because Gary pointed out how improper DOJ's handling of the case had been, which is what really led to him being cut out. So Gary feels really strongly that he has nothing to hide. He absolutely wants, not just the truth to be out there about the case, but also, has no problem sharing his own conduct. And so we crafted that letter along with an affidavit from him to Congress, again, affirming under penalty of perjury that he's never talked to the Washington Post reporters that wrote the story. He's never talked to any Washington Post reporters. He's never leaked confidential taxpayer information. And so we are now calling upon the Washington Post to confirm that he is not the source for this story. So far, all they've done is repeat rather uncritically Hunter's attorney's letters and their allegations, but we hope that they will come clean and acknowledge that they don't need to reveal who their actual source was, but they clearly can confirm that it was not Gary Shapley.